what's up kami niyan? Diyan ako sa Mangga Church Community Meeting Paris. So, wala. That's done na. Nice guy niyan. So, thank you so much. So, thank you sa completion. So, nakita mi ni bata ni Nanay Nina. So, the picture taking. So, watch. And, so, nainay na tayo niyan. So, bye. Thank you so much. Bye. Holy Trinity Church. Busog perme. Balag pilde. Natural. Top 25. Okay. Bye.